In Delaware County this Saturday, it was cleanup day at an historic cemetery. Vandals had targeted the Eden Cemetery in Collingdale. They knocked over dozens of headstones. The rest of the story now from Action News reporter Sarah Bloomquist.
Under the hot sun, these men worked to return dozens of overturned headstones to their proper resting places atop the graves here at the historic Eden Cemetery. 201 stones were tipped over in this sacred place dating back to the mid-18th century when burial grounds were racially segregated.
Our history is here, and this is just an absolute abomination, and there's no reason for anything like this, and it hurts.
Eden is the final resting place for historical figures such as legendary opera pioneer Marian Anderson and 19th century abolitionist and Underground Railroad godfather William Still. The headstone of 18th century civil rights champion Octavius Catto was also pushed over.
Philadelphia region here is, as you know, is rich in history, and Eden Cemetery is certainly a major factor in that.
81-year-old Edith Worley Johnson arrived in time to watch workers fix her family's gravestone.
I think it's horrible. I just believe it's horrible, and anyone that has to stoop this low is sick.
The county brought in about 40 first-time offenders to perform community service working to reset the stones. One worker was injured when a gravestone fell on his hand. Police are still trying to track down the vandals who desecrated this cemetery. The police chief feels certain it was kids with no idea of the history or the impact of the African-American legends buried beneath these stones.
We've talked to some of the neighbors. We're knocking on doors today as well, that over the past couple weeks they've seen kids in here.
Some here today said Eden Cemetery has been the target of vandals for decades. They wonder when their loved ones will be treated with respect and truly rest in peace. In Collingdale, Delaware County, Sarah Bloomquist, Channel 6 Action News.